This is Wag Chicago. Up on the sunbathing, well, taking a couple-minute break because I've been working for 4 hours since you guys were all asleep, playing with yourselves or whatever. Anyways, I'm growing food and shit, and I got chickens to worry about. The thing behind, I don't know if you can see, I'll show it later, but there's a thing will fall out if I do. I don't have the thing set up right. I'm on my tractor right now. I'm sitting down at the other end where the dogs pull my chickens through the fence. See that right? So what I did is I put a tie. I asked a good friend of mine, an alien, for her opinion. If I, she'll know what I mean. Anyways, thank you for that. Oh, by the way, I got to do some harvesting. I got some blackberries, secret location. We're going to get some blackberries. I got to see, I had to put these, I'll show you later, but there's tarps down here to get my other berries. Anyway, because they're falling to the ground. And I got another tree over here. It's 30 feet in the air of a berries dropping down there. Whatever, you don't care. Anyways, 9.1% inflation. F you. It is not. It's over 20%. If you go to 1990s rules of figuring out inflation, we're beyond inflation, by the way. You guys don't understand this because you never traded stocks or commodities or had a license or any garbage. Just saying. You don't need one, by the way. You could just use common sense. We're in a depression. According to a guy named Kiyosaki, he's a billionaire, multi-billionaire. He wrote a little book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He's got a website, by the way. He doesn't sell you nothing. So when a billionaire like him is going, you're all in trouble, they're lying to you, and we're in a Great Depression. Bigger than, they're saying, the analysts are saying, way bigger than the original doohickey in the 20s and 30s. See how that works? You guys just don't know how much pain's coming yet. So you got to start growing potatoes and protect your chickens and your tribe or whatever you call your wolf pack. I call it a wolf pack. But this is Wag Chicago, 9% inflation. Fuck you, it is not.